So my friend here, we just meet today from Grenada.
And I look nice, you know.
And you look nice beside me. That's why me tell her say, yeah, my boy want to me and my boyfriend. But you look like you want to run away from me. Come on, I won't give you any Viagra. Sit down.
And you look like you're single too.
Say hi, mommy. Say hi to the people.
My wife died.
You look like you're single.
Well, don't worry. Your wife died and God send you another one right here.
yeah?
That's because he that wait upon the Lord shall do what?
And same face, you know.
And yes,
And
may you
we
look
say-
alike. Yes, man, may you look alike.
You look-
But before you get too happy, I hope you have house or something by your will. Mommy,
Well, it's the best now.
mommy, tell your son-in-law, say I have something for your daughter. Oh.
She have something, you know, she don't want no cold.
Alright.
Mommy, you from Jamaica?
No.
Where you from? It's okay. I love you. You look sexy even in your old days. I tell you, was a killer when you was a young man, ain't you? Could say that again.
And then have a wife here, the wife have died.
So, how much woman you have? Me too. How much
One
you got now?
wife had and she
How much
died.
woman? Because on TV now, man has 16 wives.
Yeah, well,
You hear?
that's the problem.
What do you think about all these women coming forward saying, me too?
Crazy.
Like, all these years,
16
all
woman.
these years.
An
and
old
they
man
say,
like me, but I don't 16 woman. I can handle one more 16.
Boy,
I
if
think
you-
some of them lie.
first I would ask you,
You know?
All I like is
can eat a party must get up anymore?
Right?
I asked if can eat a party must get up anymore.
where you one with those two.
Eat a party must, can he get up
What you
anymore?
call it?
Eat a party must, you have to be decent.
But what I'm saying is,
I love you.
is one
She have a
with
pretty
the two.
face.
But
Her face pretty. Hi, mommy.
Right. But if you can, do your best.
If you can't do not, you do your best.
A good thing.
Well, there was song then called Equal Rights and Justice. They say if you can. One song where Alshana sing, he say equal rights and justice with your tongue. So well, if you're done, then no work. If you come with me, God bless you, come, I won't have you do that.
And she have my face.
We won't have you doing that.
No?
We won't have you doing that, but the next woman will have your job on them lock. Your turn there.
You better mind
Tell
you.
him, and next woman will have your job on lock.
You better mind you all are not related.
She look at me. For real.
I don't know, my mother must be you as my father because you look more to me like more than my real father.
Ay.
I forgot to ask my mama if me know you and send her for the go give her. You know one woman. You know my mama?
Yeah.
I said, Daddy, you look like my daddy. Do I should call you dad? Dad. No, man, you can't call me dad. God make me look like it because I'm sending you a brand new wife. And you have to accept it because I'm the only one that won't give you what? Viagra.
Alright.
You know what they call Viagra?
I prefer the fish.
They prefer the fish. What, they cook fish?
I prefer the
But you can't eat fish without Viagra to make your mouth drunk, make you can't yam fish.
I eat fish with the
Right, mama?
Well, sometimes you
I eat
need,
fish with the green
sometimes,
bananas.
listen, sometimes you just need a companion. You don't have to do anything.
Exactly. I'm just joking when I say that, you know that. Because, but life in better now is better that way. People are only thinking about the flesh and that's why the relationship don't work out.
When we don't take enough time, we don't want them now.
You don't take enough? Well, child, if you take enough, me take more than enough because me start taking them from me idea, me knee.
That's okay. You have a nice time.
And guess what?
Somebody to talk with. You know?
I like she, you know, she's
Because
nice.
young man, they come around here now. You don't want to do nothing.
Them young man there, when they wind up in your body and them hook up like a hookworm in your gut, then you get nothing after.
All them guys want to make money.
All the guys them want from the woman them is money.
And yeah, all them guys want is money.
You don't want no money from me if me take you
They
up.
don't want friendship. They just
If
want
me take you up, you go beg me
and
money.
lie.
Answer no man there on the camera, you can't make me look shame. People are going to see you. If me take you up, you go beg me money.
And I see them young guy. I ain't young.
So you're not going to beg me money because you're old.
I'm
Eh?
in 60s, you know.
There's nothing wrong with that. It's just a number. It's just a number.
I'm in my 60s. So
And that's wonderful. Anyway, nice to meet you. It was a nice joke with you guys.
And
God
God
bless
bless you.
you.
Take care of
And
yourself.
and Make God keep sustaining you the way you are.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't go run up and pick up no young girl and them foolishness there.
After is good.
Because what happen is gonna lead your way down to hell. And you come this far in faith, you don't want to lose your way that way. You hear?
Yes, ma'am.
So just be strong, keep the same composure, and laugh at the jokes because it's funny. And I do love you and nice to meet you.
Thank you
Mommy,
very
nice
much.
to meet you too.
My name is Joyce.
Joyce, and she's a nice lady. Look, people, they say, Joyce, Joyce. Everybody go see anywhere you come from, you know. So know that now. Likewise, this man here. They're going to see me in Grenada. Hey, he just come from Grenada, you know.
I just come from, I've been here 42 years.
You see, you go to Grenada the other day.
Yeah, I was going to visit.
That's what I see. You just come back from down there, from visiting down
My
there.
house is amazing.
You got a house down there. But you need to give me that
And
property, you
don't
know.
make it
Hey,
spice.
you need to come and sign this property over upon me. Yes, man, sign the property over upon
I
it.
have a house here and I build a house home. So I
That's
go-
wonderful. Well, like you have any
will-
children here to take care of, you
I
know?
retire. I have one daughter, but she married. She live in North Carolina.
Well, I could come and take care of you and be the power attorney and cook food and take care of you. You know, so me I look for one little old man friend, but good man friend.
You see,
Me don't want no kaba
Yes,
man
I buy
round
me
me.
fish to go cook my own food.
See you for your fish, you cook your own food. That's a good one.
I like the fish
Say-
and the green banana.
Nice. I love you.
My
Bye bye.
girlfriend-
Bye bye.
My
I love
girlfriend
you.
is from Grenada. She